Next point we are going to see nomenclature of amines. Now amines are named according to common name system and according to IUPAC nomenclature system. Now first we are going to see common name system. According to common name system, write suffix, that is end, amine after alkyl group. Now for example, we take general example RNH2. Now it is alkyl group and this is amine group. Therefore name of this compound is alkyl amine. That is, this suffix amine is added after the name of alkyl group. For example, now here CH3NH2. Now it is methyl group which is attached to amine group. Therefore name of this compound is methylamine. Then second, CH3CH2NH2. It is ethyl group. Therefore it becomes ethylamine. Now this is primary amine. Now we are going to see the examples of secondary and tertiary amines. Now secondary and tertiary amines are of two types, simple or symmetrical amines and mixed or unsymmetrical amines. Now first we are going to see simple amines. Now here first example is CH3NHCH3. This is example of secondary amine because two hydrogen atoms from ammonia are replaced by two alkyl group and these two alkyl groups are similar, therefore name is dimethylamine. There are two methyl group, therefore dimethylamine. Now in case of tertiary amine, this is tertiary amine because three hydrogen atoms from ammonia are replaced by three alkyl group which are totally similar. Therefore it is example of simple amine and name of this compound is trimethylamine. There are three methyl group attached to nitrogen atom. Therefore name is trimethylamine. These are the common names. Now we are going to see mixed amines. Now here in case of mixed amine, the alkyl group attached to nitrogen atom are different. Now this is the example of secondary amine in which two hydrogen atoms from ammonia are replaced by CH3 and C2H5 group. Both alkyl group are different, therefore it is mixed amine and name of this amine is given in alphabetical order of alkyl group. Now alphabetically E comes first, therefore name is ethyl, then methyl and amine. Now this is the example of tertiary amine in which nitrogen atom is bonded to three methyl group and one ethyl group. That is, this is example of mixed tertiary amine in which this nitrogen is bonded to ethyl group and to methyl group. Therefore name of this compound is ethyl. Alphabetically E comes first, therefore it is ethyl. Dimethyl, two methyl groups are there, therefore it is dimethylamine. Ethyl dimethylamine. Now this is all about common names of amines. Now we are going to see IUPAC nomenclature of amines in which first we are going to see IUPAC nomenclature of primary amines, that is 1 degree amines. Now in case of 1 degree amines, according to IUPAC nomenclature system, replace suffix E from alkane by amine. That is, if we take general example of this amine, primary amine, that is RNH2, then it becomes alkane and E from alkane is replaced by amine. It becomes alkane amine. Now we are going to see the example. First example, CH3NH2. Now here one hydrogen atom from methane is replaced by NH2 group. That is, it is methane and replace E from methane by amine, it becomes methanamine. Now second, CH3CH2NH2. Now here there are two carbon atoms, Therefore, parent alkane is ethane. And replace E from ethane by amine. It becomes ethane amine. Third, CH3, CHNH2, CH3. Now here there are more than 2 carbon atoms. Then first give the or select the longest chain and give numbering. Now there are 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Give numbering from any end 1, 2, 3. Parent alkane is propane and at 2 position there is amine group. Therefore here write propane and give the position of this NH2 group as 2 and amine. That is propane to amine. 2 represent the position of amino group. Now last one, CH3, CHNH2, CH2, CH3. Now here there are 4 carbon atoms. Now first give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Give numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Parent alkane is butane and replace suffix E from butane by 2 amine. That is it becomes butane 2 amine. In this way, IUPAC names for primary amines are given. Now we are going to see the IUPAC names for secondary and tertiary amines. Now here, in case of secondary and tertiary amines, secondary and tertiary amines are named as N-substituent derivatives of primary amines. And in case of these secondary and tertiary amines, the largest alkyl group attached to nitrogen atom is taken as a parent alkane and other alkyl group is taken as N-substituent. Now we are going to understand these 2 rules by using some examples. Now here CH3NH CH3. It is example of secondary amine in which 2 hydrogen atoms from ammonia are replaced by 2 methyl group. Now in this case, this nitrogen is bonded to 2 methyl group. Therefore it is example of simple amine. And here both groups have similar carbon atom. Therefore we write one alkyl group as N-substituent, one alkyl group as N-substituent, that is N-methyl. Now remaining one hydrogen carbon atom or remaining one alkyl group is taken as a parent alkane, that is methane amine. That is it becomes N-methyl methanamine. Now second example, CH3NH2H5. Now it is secondary amine and nitrogen atom is bonded to 2 different alkyl group. Therefore it is mixed amine. Now in this case, the lower alkyl group, that is that alkyl group which possesses less number of carbon atom, is taken as N-substituent, and the higher alkyl group, that is which possesses more number of carbon atom, is taken as parent alkane. Then it becomes N-methyl. Now for parent alkane it becomes ethane amine. That is N-methyl ethane amine. Then third example. Now in this case, this is tertiary amine and it is mixed amine. This nitrogen is bonded to CH3 and C2H5. Now here 2 alkyl groups are similar, that is methyl, and both alkyl groups are lower alkyl groups while ethyl group is higher alkyl group. Therefore it is taken as a parent alkane, that is ethane, and these 2 alkyl groups are taken as N-substituent. Therefore it becomes NN dimethyl ethane amine. Now next one, 4 number, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH, CH3. Now here 2 hydrogen atom from ammonia are replaced by 2 alkyl group, therefore it is secondary amine. It is mixed secondary amine. Now in this case, here this is N-propyl group and this is methyl group. Therefore parent alkene is N-propyl. Now this methyl group is taken as N substituent, that is N-methyl propane. Now at the position of 1 number carbon atom, this nitrogen is attached, therefore it becomes propane 1 amine. Now next one, that is the name of this compound becomes N-methyl propane 1 amine. Now 5 number, CH3 and C2H5, C2H5. Now in this case, this nitrogen is bonded to 1 methyl group and 2 ethyl group. Now it is example of tertiary amine. Now here 1 ethyl group and 1 methyl group is taken as N substituent and remaining 1 ethyl group is taken as parent alkane. Then it becomes N-ethyl. Alphabetically E comes first, therefore it becomes N-ethyl and methyl ethane amine. Therefore, name of this compound is N-ethyl and methyl ethane amine. Now this is aromatic amine. This is example of primary amine. Now in this case, or in case of aromatic amines, replace E from arene by amine. That is, here it is benzene, it becomes benzene amine. Common name of this compound is aniline, and this aniline is also IUPAC name of the aniline is also a IUPAC name of benzene amine. Now we are going to see some examples of amines, in which first we are going to see nomenclature of primary amines. Now here first example is CH3NH2. Now in case of CH3NH2, common name is methylamine. And IUPAC name is methane amine. That is, replace suffix E from methane by amine. Then second example, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Now here it is propyl group and it is N-propyl group, therefore it is N-propyl amine. It is the common name, N-propyl amine. Now in case of IUPAC name, give numbering 1, 2, 3. Parent alkane become propane, therefore it becomes propane. And position is 1, therefore 1 amine. Common IUPAC name is propane 1 amine. Now third one, CH3, CH, NH2, CH3. Now here 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms are there, and this NH2 group is present at 2 position. Now first common name. Now this group is, that is CH3, CH, CH3 group is isopropyl group, to which this NH2 is attached, therefore it is isopropyl amine. This is common name, isopropyl amine. Now in case of IUPAC name, give numbering 1, 2, 3. At 2 position there is amine group, therefore it becomes propane 2 amine. Now fourth one, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. Now this CH2, CH2 is ethylene group, to which each carbon atom there is NH2 group. That is, there are 2 NH2 group. Therefore, it becomes ethylene diamine. Now IUPAC name 1, 2. That is, it is ethane 1, 2 diamine. Ethane 1, 2 diamine. Don't remove this E. Ethane 1, 2 diamine. Now 5 number. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 NH2. Now here there is double bond. Therefore it is allyl amine. Unsaturated amine. Now give numbering 1, 2, 3. The end which is nearer to the functional group. Therefore it becomes propene. And at one position there is NH2 group. At 2 number carbon atom there is double bond. Therefore IUPAC name becomes prop 2En 1 amine. Prop 2En 1 amine. Now next one. This is benzene ring which is directly attached to NH2 group. Therefore it is phenylamine. Common name is phenylamine, or it is aniline. IUPAC name of this compound is benzenamine. Benzenamine. Replace E from benzene by amine. And this is 7th one. NH2 CH2 6 times NH2. Now here this is hexyl group. Now here there are 2 amino group which are present at the 2 ends of hexane. Therefore common name of this compound is hexamethylene. This is methylene group, and there are these methylene groups are 6. Therefore it becomes hexamethylene, and 2 amino groups are present. Therefore it becomes hexamethylene diamine. Hexamethylene diamine. Now IUPAC name of this compound is, now it is hexane. Parent alkene is hexane. Hexane. Don't remove E from hexane. Hexane 1,6 diamine. Homework for you. Draw possible structures of all the isomers of C4H11N. Write their common as well as IUPAC names.